Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the phone so adding apps is fast and consistent. Unlock your Samsung, then open the app drawer by swiping up or tapping the app's icon. This shows every installed app. Make sure you know whether you're using One UI Home versus a third-party launcher, because gestures and menus differ. Once done, optionally enable long press gestures or grid adjustments in home screen settings so icons behave predictably. This prevents surprises. Now you add the apps. Long press any app icon in the app drawer. You'll see options like Add to Home or Select Multiple. Tap Add to Home or drag the icon upward, then slide to the desired home page and release. If you want multiple apps together, drag one on top of another to create a folder and name it for quick access. Make sure to use the grid settings in home screen options to control icon spacing. This keeps your layout organized and usable. Finish by organizing and securing your layout so it stays useful. Move or remove apps with a long press on the home screen. Choose Move, Remove, or Pin to prevent accidental deletion. If an app won't appear, make sure it isn't disabled in Settings, search the app drawer and reboot. Enter Safe Mode to rule out launcher conflicts. If spacing or widgets break, reset home layout in Home Settings, but remember, Reset clears custom positions, so use it only as a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.